Herbal honey is not just a delicious sweetener, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Infused with the medicinal properties of various herbs, herbal honey can enhance wellness in multiple ways. One of its most significant advantages is its ability to boost the immune system. Rich in antioxidants, it helps combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, herbal honey has antibacterial properties that support oral health, soothe sore throats, and help in the healing of wounds. Different herbs can be infused into honey, each bringing its unique benefits. For instance, chamomile honey can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality, while ginger honey can aid digestion and alleviate nausea. Incorporating herbal honey into your daily routine is simple. You can stir it into herbal teas, spread it on toast, or use it as a natural sweetener in recipes. It's also an excellent addition to skincare routines due to its moisturizing and healing properties. However, always ensure that you source high-quality, raw herbal honey to maximize its benefits. Embrace this natural remedy and unlock a sweeter path to better health today.